coup, beat the coup shoe shine, beat the coup shoe shine. The same way I beat my controller, which beats my wife, beat the coup shoe shine. Just because my controller beats my wife doesn't mean I use my parking brake to touch my feet. Just the same way my boy Jeffrey beat my meat.
I'm flying into the final island. This is the Battle of Noblinton. For the Purple Knob. Anyway, we are flying into the island. We are going to take over the island and defeat the Black Knobs. Oh shoot, there's like an output. Yo, there's a tank.
Oh, these stupid black
Wait a minute. I think I know who that is.
always
Yeah.
in the way.
Allahu Akbar!
Oh, there's a plane!
Yo, chill.
Yellow knob?
Yo, Purple Knob?
Where'd have you been?
Where have you been? Have you even been fighting in the war?
Yeah. I
You
forgot
sure?
the name of the I forgot the name of the war I fought in. I fought him with my purple shotgun.
Have you been fighting in the war, or have you been posting clips on your YouTube channel? Be honest with me.
Maybe a little more on YouTube. I've actually mainly just been sitting here at their base making and editing YouTube videos because I got bored. But they didn't manage to kill me, so
Purple Knob, I thought you died fighting in the war. What the hell is wrong
you
with
like
you?
my circumcision knife?
What the fuck? There's only one
No,
way to
just
know it.
stand still.
There's only one way to know if it's really you.
My magic saved me.
Yeah, no, that's the Purple Knob. That's the Purple Knob. You cannot convince me otherwise. Purple Knob, do you want to finish this war?
Yeah, I've been waiting and learning circumcision.
You've been doing circumcisions.
Get in. Are you in?
Basically.
Okay, first we will go I have a mission for you.
Oh, yeah.
I will take, but you see that Air Force to our left?
Uh-huh.
You need to take that, but not right now. And I will take the
Oh, shoot.
whatever it's called, the nuclear field.
Oh, are you about to launch a nuke on the whole island?
Yep.
Oh, okay. I feel you, Purple Knob. What the hell is that?
But it's what?
What is that?
The Infinity Tower. That is their main headquarters.
Oh.
We both need to take care of that. So help me break down the door to it. Yeah, we're almost done with this.
Oh, shoot.
Here's what's gonna happen.
Okay, yeah.
After we take the Infinity Tower, you're gonna go take the Air Force while I take the nuclear field.
Yeah.
Then we're gonna blow it open.
Oh, we're gonna blow the island up?
Yep.
Oh,
It's
shoot.
gonna become a nuclear wasteland, just like Hiroshima.
Oh,
But
okay.
it's gonna be worth it. I just want to go home, back to the desert.
No, Purple Knob.
Go desert.
Were you playing on your computer during the war?
Desert. Are you taking the slow way, man? Lugnut, there's a way up the stairs.
Where? No, I made it up. Yo, there's like no one in here, Purple Knob. Why is there no one in the tower?
I don't know. Did we dry up all the people?
Wait, Purple Knob. I think they're trying to escape through the airfield.
Okay, You need to go. I have my boy Timothy. He's a friend I made along the way, and he'll help me guard the tower.
Okay, yeah.
You might get moving to the airfield.
Okay, I got you, Purple Knob. I gotta get to the airfield to stop the Black Knobs from escaping. I could take Purple Knob's tank, but he would also probably be mad at me, so I'll go find something else. Oh, shoot. Okay, there's one waiting right here. Nice. To the airfield. Oh, wow. This is the airfield. One down, a lot more to go. Perfect. Now it's open. And now nobody's going nowhere. Purple Knob, how's it going with the nuclear plant?
The nuke is ready.
It's ready?
It's ready.
Wait for me, I'm coming. We'll blow this place up together. It's probably taking Purple Knob a while to take the nuclear plant, so I think I'm gonna take a quick stop at the Diamond Refinery. Oh shoot. Let's see what this place is all about. Is there even anyone here? Doesn't look like it. Okay. This might be easier than I thought. Oh shoot, that guy is not friendly. Got him. What is this? Oh shoot. We're going down? What is down? Yo, there's a ton of diamonds. Oh shoot, that's another guard. Yo, chill. Okay, that wasn't very good. Are there any more guards down here? Nope. Holy diamonds. There's even a vault down here. Yo. What is this place? Oh, wait, there's stairs over here. Holy balls. Purple Knob, do you copy?
Yes.
So I decided to stop at the Diamond Refinery, and there's like a whole cave system. They have like vaults of diamonds.
Take many.
Take many.
They're very rich up here. Very rich.
So you want me to take diamonds for you?
Yes. Except I'm dogfighting with this one cast person.
Okay, I got you. I'll give you some diamonds, Purple Knob. god, this is dangerous. Okay. Chill, 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 chill. Man, I suck at throwing grenades. Chill, chill, chill. I don't lose fights, ever. Oh shoot, I think I see the capture point over there. Oh, that was way too far. Let's just sneak on over nice.
Yellow Knob,
Yeah?
slight issue.
What?
There is currently a fighter plane right above your base or the thing.
The diamond refinery?
Yeah.
That's not good. I guess I'll deal with it when
Good
I
luck.
leave. Oh god, that guy's a missile launcher. Yeah, that would not have been fun to deal with. Hello, everyone. Why do I suck at throwing grenades so much?
Yellow Knob, I have officially taken down the plane that was above the diamond refinery.
Okay, good. There's only 20 seconds till I capture it.
Good.
Go take the nuclear plant and I'll meet you there.
That is what I am attempting to do.
Now, just to grab some diamonds. Well, there's plenty in here. I don't think they would mind if I took a little bit. Purple Knob,
Yeah?
I pocketed your diamonds and I'm coming to the nuclear site right now.
Good, but I might need some backup. They have this place the most heavily guarded.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Great.
Which they have a total of like 6 people here, but they hurt a lot with their bullets.
Okay.
You know, who would have thought bullets hurt?
Are you for real?
I wish I wasn't.
Okay, I'm pulling up Purple Knob. Purple Knob. I'm pulling up to the
Yes.
nuclear plant.
Good, I have taken the nuclear plant.
Are you ready to send the nuke?
Yes. Launching in 3.
No, wait. Chill, Purple Knob, chill. Let me come down first.
Hurry up!
Let me come down first.
Holy shit, you
Okay.
got the slowest plane in the fucking world.
Okay, Purple Knob. When I tell you when, are you ready to escape?
Yes.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
3, 2, 1. Launch the nuke.
Strategic launch detected.
Oh crap, my plane's going down. My plane's going down. Oh, that's not good. Oh no, my plane went down.
To stay back.
Purple Knob, what are you doing? Purple Knob? Purple Knob, what are you
Someone
doing?
has to make sure it goes big boom.
No, Purple Knob, no, you cannot sacrifice yourself. Purple Knob, we fought for so long in this war. What are you doing? You can't sacrifice yourself.
Don't worry. It'd be okay. Because I put a whole bag of jelly beans.
Oh shoot. He really sacrificed himself. He did it. The war's finally over. I guess I'll go back to the desert. Oh, I'm back in the desert. I even have Purple Knob's diamond that he wanted so bad. Are we dead ass?
You're back. You see, because I put a whole bag of jelly beans up my ass, I survived.
You
Ooh,
mother.
diamond,
So first we need an event. Who's got an event?
9/11.
Okay, maybe something else. Let's start with a person.
Robin Williams.
Okay, all right, for real, guys. For real, who's got a person?
Williams on 9/11.
All right, we've heard from that guy. Let's maybe give someone else over here a chance. How about a location? Let's get a location.
The offices of Charlie Hebdo.
Okay, seriously, sir. I just need a location.
Ferguson, Missouri.
No.
Or German wing cockpit.
Okay, I heard Starbucks.
No, you didn't. Nobody said Starbucks.
All right, Starbucks. Okay, now who's in the Starbucks?
Bill Cosby.
You people are monsters.
We're giving you the tools, buddy. Come on, make some fucking comedy. Do you want a circumcision?
What is that?
Just put it down your pants.
I'm
I
good.
can show
good.
you.
I'm good. I'll leave.
Oh, no, come here. Come here.
No,
It
I'm
only
okay.
hurts more.
Purple Knob, I triple dog dare you to climb up in there and then jump in. Oh shit. What's in there, Purple Knob?
Tasted like battery acid.
Purple Knob, are you gonna get superpowers now?
Well, they have superpower.
Nah,
I
you're
feel
right,
the
you're right.
rabies coming up.
That's not good.